Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iTunes store if it's not working correctly, whether the app isn't opening, you're not able to maybe check out the new music, or basically any content in here isn't working correctly. We should be able to fix it by following these steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. So one of the very first reasons why you might be having issues with the iTunes store itself is your internet connection on your phone. You want to ensure that it's working correctly, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Quick thing I like to do is pull down the control menu here, put the phone on airplane mode for a moment, and then turn it back off. And what does a quick network refresh, so that if there's any connectivity issue, it will resolve that issue for you. And then you're going to want to go ahead and open up like a browser and see if you can get to any websites just to make sure your internet is working correctly. Now, after you have done that and you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to do is that if you do have the iTunes store app open right now, it might be simple as just closing it and reopening, and that's going to be fixing any app related issues. So I usually swipe upward and then just slide like that so that it closes out the app and any other app you have open, and then reopen it just like that, and it'll reload the code. So that should fix any, again, software related issue. Now the next thing you want to do if you're still having issues is going to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So in order to do a forced restart, again, it's going to be really simple. You're going to do volume up, volume down, one after another, and then hold the side button until the screen goes completely black. At that time, the Apple logo will reappear, and let go of that button. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down, and I'm going to hold the side button just like that. And as I'm holding the side button here, I'm not going to do anything else. I'm going to wait till the screen goes completely black, and once it goes completely black, I keep on holding it until I see the Apple logo reappear, and I let go of that button. And what we have done is successfully shut down the phone completely and having a reload the code. So if there's any software related issue, again, impacting the phone, it will resolve that, and anything around that iTunes store not working correctly will be fixed. So after that, you can go back into your phone, and once you go back in your phone, see if iTunes store works. Now if it doesn't work, the next thing we want to check out is in our settings here, we're going to go to general and then click on iPhone storage, and we want to ensure that the storage available here, that we're not maxed out. So if you have, let's say here I have 128 gig, if it's 108, like if it's full and it says 128 gig out of 128 gig, that means my iPhone storage is full, which can impact downloading stuff like on the iTunes, like if you're downloading music or any content on it. So what you want to do is clean up your or free up some storage by either deleting some photos, videos usually take up a lot of space, any apps that you don't use, so that you have some storage available for you to use iTunes store. So you can check out the list that they provide here about how much each of the apps is taking up, and you can go ahead and simply delete them by going through each one. Now after you have done that, the next thing you want to do if you're still having issues is deleting the app itself, the iTunes store app, and then reinstalling it. So in order to do that, you press and hold and then click on remove app, delete app, and we're going to click on delete, and it's going to be completely gone. And once you have done that, we're going to go back to the app store itself, and then in the app store you're going to go ahead and search for the iTunes store. So we're going to search up iTunes, and once we do that, we'll see that iTunes store is available there. We're going to click on that cloud icon pointing downward, and it should already download really quick. We can go to the very last page here under recently added. We see the iTunes store. We're going to press and hold and then add to home screen, and it's right here, and you can pretty much move it around whatever it is, but go ahead and relaunch it again. And once you relaunch it, hopefully the content and the app is working as it should. Now let's say it's still not working or having issues. The next thing you want to do is go into your settings and go to general all the way down here where it says transfer reset iPhone. You're going to click on that, and the very first option is reset, and the reset that you'll need to do is the very first one, which is reset all settings. What this will do is delete any settings around network related settings. So if you have saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connected devices, those will get removed, and you'll need to reconnect again. Any keyboard dictionary that you have added will get reset. Any custom home screen layout will also get reset. Any location privacy setting will also get reset. So all of these are settings specific that will get a reset here. And again, it will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, anything like that. Really safe to do, and something you want to do if you're having issues with the iTunes app. And after you have done that, and this the reset will take about a minute or two. After you have done that and you're still having issues, is that it's time to make sure that your phone is up to date on the latest version. So in order to do that, we're going to be in settings. We're going to go to general, software update, and then as you can see here, it's going to check for an update, and if there is an update available, it will say download and install. You want to download and install, but in order to successfully download and install, ensure that your phone has at least 50% or more charge, connected to good strong Wi-Fi or cellular data, and give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes to do the software update. And after you do that, hopefully your iTunes app is working and everything is good. And I hope this video was helpful in resolving any issues you're having with the iTunes store. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.